Good morning, this is Shan and this is how the Red River looks like today. You can see way back there is the river. And here's the parking lot. It's all filled with water. I've been tracking this for a few days. As you can see how full this river is, how it overflows. I can just imagine all the water that's been going underground. Just a quick reminder that I have shared something about a sump pump. We have so much snow this year that you have to be very careful. Your sump pump might be working overtime. Some of it might not even be working. So yesterday I was taking a client to see a bi-level. Mechanical room was great. It has sump pump. The sump pump has a backup battery. However, totally full and it was filling up and the water was coming out into the floor drain. It's the first time I see one that with a battery, backup battery working and still not doing the proper job. So I tell the listing agent right away and he said it wasn't like that yesterday. So this time of year is very, very urgent. You go see, check your basement. You need to get a water or moisture or leak detector alarm. They have that at Lowe's and Home Depot. Install that in close to your sump pump so that even you have all these backup things. It might not work properly. At least you have something that will alert you. Some of them are the smart kind, which is connected to your cell phone so that you get notified. Or if you're working from home, then you might just need one that beeps really loud. Anyway, that's just a quick reminder. Have a wonderful day.